And here's our pan-seared salmon with lemon, butter, and garlic and herbs. Nice! Bango. Wow, really nice. So, ang daming health benefits din ng salmon. Hello and welcome to Goma At Home. Today we are preparing pan-seared salmon in lemon and butter sauce. Okay? So, in this recipe, very easy and very quick to cook. Kasi salmon talaga mabilis lutuin ng salmon eh. If it's cooked in high heat, in less than a minute, seared na yung one side and then yung other side. So what we'll do is get a good piece of salmon, no? Usually may mabibili ka nito, marami sa grocery. Especially in the Philippines, marami ng suppliers ng salmon. So hindi na siya mahirap hanapin, hindi na siya mahirap bilhin. So tignan mo lang kung meron kang makakita mga tinik dito. Because dito sa gitnang side ng meat, meron tinik usually. But when you buy it prepared na, tinatanggal nila. Now, when we prepare our salmon, we'll take out the belly. No? So, we'll cut it out. Tanggalin natin to. Because we will only use the big side of the fish. So, I prepared 2 slabs of salmon. Yun. Tanggalin natin yung belly. Yan. Okay. There you go. I'll put this on the side. Initin na natin yung pan natin. Yan. So we'll put the extra virgin olive oil. That's it. And then lagyan natin ng butter. I'm going to use 1 whole slab of butter. What I'll do is para mabilis siya matunaw, putulin natin siya. Yan. Okay. Yan. Put it here. Yun. Okay, once matunaw siya, putulin natin yung salmon natin. So while this is melting, tapusin ko lang itong salmon natin. So it's big. So I want big pieces eh. So gusto ko gawin natin ito into 3. Cut it into 3 slabs. Yun. It's 1, 2, and 3. See? Yan. Kailangan very sharp yung knife mo. Para isang pass lang na yan. No? Isang pass. Pag ganon. Putol kagad yung salmon. Okay? Next. We'll season our fish. Okay. Pepper. Let's use lots of pepper. Okay. So we'll season both sides with salt. Okay. Nice. Okay. And then we'll season it with pepper. Alright. Ganda oh. Parang siyang pepper crusted salmon. Nice. Bango. Ito gusto ko eh. Kaya I grind my pepper. Gusto ko fresh kasi yung scent niya, yung taste niya, it's all intact. So pag bumili ka na ng crushed na pepper, after a while, nawawala na yung flavor niya, nawawala na yung smell ng pepper. And ang bango-bango ng pepper pag bagong crushed. So yun. It doesn't have to be very hot. No? Ilalagay natin yung salmon natin isa-isa. Alright. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3. So, 5 lang yung kumasya niyan. Sa isa, mamaya ko na ito lulutuin. So, habang nagba-brown siya, lilinisin ko muna itong chopping board ko. Okay? So, once we get a good crust, gagawin ko na yung sauce ko dyan. Okay, nice. Then crushed garlic. There. Okay. So while I'm doing my garlic and my lemon, naluluto na yung salmon. So it's really very, very quick to prepare. Like what I said, mabilis lang talaga lutuin ng salmon. So you do not overcook your salmon. Basta mag-brown siya ng konti, that's it. You're done. Okay. Diyan ka lang on the side. And then I'll prepare my lemon. Then. Okay, that's all we need. Tapos yung konting herbs natin. What we'll do is we'll use a mixture of herbs using basil and dill, no? Sarap talaga yung dill. Usually dill talaga best for fish. Nakuha pa tayo. Meron pa dito. Okay. You know, ito yung dill. It's hard to grow dill nowadays, no? Kasi masyadong maulan. So, ito, gawin natin. Haluan natin siya with basil para mas strong yung flavor natin with the fish. Okay? So, ganun lang. Just, you know. Good. Ito. Kunin mo lang na ganun si babaw. That's it. And then, chop all of them sabay-sabay. See, everything is prepared on your table. Yan, ganyan lang. Yan. Yan, tapos pinuhin mo lang siya. Pinuhin mo lang yan. Yes. Imagine all the flavors that you have. Oh, sarap nito. Wow. Bango, I can smell it. Sarap ng combination ng basil and dill. Wow, there you go. Okay, I'm done. I'll put the garlic all over. Okay, yun. Tapos ako siya iikot, turn. Yun. Nice. Okay, and I'll put all the herbs there. Okay, and then the lemon, I'll put it on the side. Start cooking it. There. Tapos mamaya, lagyan ko siya ng lemon juice. Alright. So now, we'll turn our salmon and finish cooking it. Yun, ganun lang. Nice. Beautiful. So from here on, mabilis lang to. In 2 minutes, luto na yung fish natin. Kasi maganda na yung pagka-crust niya. Now, I'll put my lemon juice. Oh, all over there. Ooh, how nice. Ang sarap-sarap nito. Wow, lovely. Lovely. Okay. That's it. That's all we need. So we're done. Tatabi ko na ito mga ito. Just taste this, ano, yung parang lemon butter sauce lumalabas yan. Oh, okay, turn it off. It's cooked. Let's serve. Look at this, oh. Dito pa lang, oh, ganda na tignan, oh. Looks good, di ba? Okay, okay. And here's our pan-seared salmon with lemon, butter, and garlic and herbs. Nice! Bango? Wow, really nice. Ganda, oh. Beautiful. No? Sure. Like that, no? Yan ang tama nga. So, it's seared on outside, but it's very moist on the inside. Yan. Hindi siya dry. Yan. See that? And then we cooked in butter and herbs. Like this. Wow. Sarap. Tapos yung asim ng lemon, tamang-tama lang yung bite niya. Doon sa richness ng butter, tsaka yung richness ng meat ng salmon. You know, salmon is it's very rich, no? It's very oily. So, ang daming health benefits din ng salmon. Then yung skin. Sarap. Wow. Galing. And then, siding siya doon. Pwede kang mag-sidings ng pureed carrots or mashed potatoes, no? Or you can eat it with pilaf rice. Yan, ganun. But just like this. Perfect na yan. Up. Wow. Alright. So there's your Pan Seared Salmon. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma At Home. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong videos na palabas. Okay? Do this in your kitchen, share with your friends and family, and have a nice time. Have a nice time eating your fish. Okay? I'll see you again next time. Bye. Tapos, may mga garlic, buo dito ng garlic, oh. Yan, oh. Eat it with the garlic. Ang dami. Really good. Really good. Ang dami. Konting heat ng pepper. Sarap. Perfect. Bye.